I'll show you how to set different notification sounds for different apps on your Redmi phone. Select the app whose notification sound you want to change. Hold the app for 2 seconds. Tap the app info icon. Tap the notification. Enable show notifications. Scroll down. Select the notification sound you want to add. Enable show notifications. Then enable floating notifications. Tap sound. Select your favorite notification sound. Select notification sound and tap apply. Similarly, you can add notification sounds to all apps. Tap additional settings in the app. Select the notification sound you want to add. You can also add sound from files or themes if you want. Tap sound. Choose different notification sounds. Now you will hear different notification sounds on your phone.